Goes to show, it's always worth checking. We've just got this bike delivered, we've done nothing with it at all. Put it straight onto the dyno and Adrian spotted the chain was super tight. Quickly loosened it off, now it's time to see what it's got.
Well, we've finally done it. We've bought ourselves a new monkey. We're going to join the generation of the new monkeys. So this one's only done like 400 miles, that's why we bought it. Just done a run on it, warmed it up. Quite surprised, but it's got a really early cut on the rev count. It's only doing about 8,500, you'll see in the video. So plan of attack is to try and see if we can improve it by going to carburettor and free flowing exhaust. I know a lot of you want to run the fuel injection, and we've seen a couple of issues with people trying to run them, you know, as they seizing up and leaning up too much and things like that. So hopefully carb kit might be a quick solution and give us a few more revs. So that's the plan anyhow. So watch for the next video.